Hey there, fellow truckers. Winter's here, and we know how tough it is to stand in those chilly winds while your truck stops working. Waiting for the highway help sounds even more cumbersome. For this, we are here with 10 preventative maintenance tips that will keep your rigs running and your business booming. Do like and subscribe if you own a Western Star, Ford, Isuzu, or any other heavy-duty trucks. First things first, oil changes. Number 1. Regular oil changes. Think of the engine oil as the blood of your truck's engine. Over time, the oil can break down and get dirty from all the contaminants it picks up. This can lead to increased friction and wear on your engine's internal parts. By changing the oil regularly, you ensure that the engine stays lubricated and runs efficiently. It's important to use high-quality oil that's designed for heavy-duty diesel engines. Check your truck's manual for the recommended oil type and change intervals. Typically, heavy-duty trucks require oil changes every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, but this can vary based on how you use your truck. Here's a pro tip: if you often drive in harsh conditions or carry heavy loads, you might need to change that oil more frequently. Remember, regular oil changes can prevent costly engine repairs down the road and keep your truck running smoothly. Next, let's talk about number 2, tire maintenance. Tires are not just the rubber tubes around your wheels. Literally, they are crucial for your truck's safety and performance. Worn or improperly inflated tires can lead to poor handling, decreased fuel efficiency, and even accidents. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can wear out faster and increase the risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires can reduce traction and cause uneven wear. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge to ensure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Also, inspect your tires for signs of wear or damage. Look for uneven tread wear, cuts, or bulges. Rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles can help them wear evenly and last longer. Especially, don't forget to check your spare tire too in those harsh winter conditions. Number 3, inspect and replace filters. Filters play a vital role in keeping your truck's engine clean and efficient. There are several filters you need to pay attention to, like air filter prevents dust, dirt, and other particles from entering the engine. Clogged air filter can reduce airflow, causing poor engine performance and increase fuel consumption. Check your air filter regularly and replace it if it's dirty. Fuel filters keep contaminants out of your fuel system. A dirty fuel filter can lead to poor engine performance and even damage the fuel injectors. Follow your manufacturer's recommendations for when to replace it. Oil filter removes contaminants from the engine oil. When you change your oil, it's a good idea to replace the oil filter as well to ensure the new oil stays clean longer. Here's a quick advice to all fleet runners in a dusty or harsh environment: stick to a strict filter replacement schedule. Regularly inspecting and replacing these filters can help your engine run efficiently and extend its lifespan. Your engine will thank you, and you will thank us later. Next one is a critical maintenance point for sure. Number 4, brake maintenance. Brakes are one of the most important underrated safety feature on your truck. Heavy-duty trucks require powerful braking systems to handle the massive loads they carry. Worn-out brake pads, low brake fluid, or faulty brake lines can severely compromise your ability to stop quickly, posing a risk not just to you, but to everyone on the road. Brake issues can also lead to increased stopping distances, brake fade, and even complete brake failure in extreme cases. So how do you keep your brakes in top shape? Pay attention to any changes in how your brakes feel or sound. Squeaking or grinding noises when you brake are red flags that shouldn't be ignored. A soft or spongy brake pedal could indicate an error in the brake lines or a fluid leak. Regularly inspect your entire brake system, including pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Check your brake fluid level and quality. Dirty or low brake fluid can affect braking performance. Remember, early detection of issues can prevent accidents and save you from expensive repairs. Moving on to the number 5, cooling system. Overheating is a major enemy of engine longevity, so let's discuss the importance of your truck's cooling system. This system, comprising the radiator, coolant, water pump, thermostat, and hoses, work tirelessly to keep engine temperatures in check. Over time, coolant can become acidic and lose its effectiveness, while components like hoses and the radiator can develop leaks or blockages, leading to overheating. So what's the action plan? Regularly check coolant levels in the reservoir, not just when the engine is hot, but also when it's cold, for an accurate reading. Inspect hoses for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks, and ensure hose clamps are tight. Consider performing a coolant flush according to your manufacturer's recommendations to remove any rust, scale, or debris that can clog the system. Always use the coolant type recommended by your truck's manufacturer. Mixing different types can lead to chemical reactions that reduce the coolant's effectiveness and may cause internal damage. Keeping your cooling system in optimal condition is crucial for preventing costly engine repairs. Number 6. Transmission and drivetrain care. Now let's focus on transmission and drivetrain care. These components are the powerhouses that transfer engine power to the wheels, enabling your truck to move efficiently. Heavy-duty operations like towing and hauling put immense stress on these systems. Transmission fluid not only lubricates but also cools the transmission. Over time, it can degrade and become contaminated, leading to rough shifting, gear slippage, or even transmission failure. So how do you maintain these vital systems? Use only the transmission fluid specified for your truck model, as different transmissions require different types of fluid. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended fluid change intervals, but consider more frequent changes if your truck operates under severe conditions. Regularly check the drive shaft axles and differential for signs of wear, leak, or damage. Listen for unusual noises like clunking, whining, or humming, which might indicate issues. Addressing small problems early can prevent major failures and expensive repairs down the road. Next is number 7, battery health. The battery is the heart of your truck's electrical system. It powers the starter motor, ignition system, and all electronic components. Extreme temperatures, frequent starts and stops, and heavy electrical loads can strain the battery, reducing its lifespan. Here are some battery care tips to improve its lifespan. Using a multimeter to check battery voltage periodically, cleaning terminals and cables periodically to ensure a good connection. Also make sure the battery is properly mounted to prevent damage from vibrations and ensure the alternator and voltage regulator are functioning correctly. A quick hack is to consider replacing your battery every 3 to 5 years, even if it hasn't failed yet. This proactive approach can prevent unexpected breakdowns, especially during extreme weather conditions. Speaking of electrical components, let's shine a light on number 8. Lights and electrical systems. These are vital for safety, compliance, and overall vehicle performance. Faulty lights can lead to accidents, fines, and failed inspections. Electrical issues can affect engine performance, fuel efficiency, and the operation of essential systems like ABS and traction control. So how do you keep everything illuminated and functional? Before hitting the road, especially for long trips, do a full walk around to check all your lights, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, hazard lights, and marker lights. Replace any burnout bulbs immediately, inspecting wiring for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage, especially in areas exposed to the elements. Pay attention to dashboard warning lights. They're not just suggestions. If you see an alert, address it promptly to avoid bigger issues later. Don't forget to carry spare bulbs and fuses in your truck to make quick replacements on the road, minimizing downtime and keeping you compliant with safety regulations. Let's not overlook the importance of number 9, suspension and alignment checks. The suspension system not only provides a smooth ride, but also ensures proper handling and tire wear. Misalignment can cause the truck to pull to one side, leading to driver fatigue and uneven tire wear. Some key components to check your suspension health are inspecting suspension components. Check shocks, struts, springs, and bushings for wear or damage. Wheel alignment, having the alignment checked manually or whenever you notice handling issues. Uneven tire wear can indicate suspension or alignment problems. Clunking or squeaking sounds may signal worn suspension parts. Tip: regular suspension maintenance not only improves driver comfort, but also reduces strain on other vehicle components, saving you money in the long run. Last but certainly not least, number 10, keep your truck clean. And here we mean inside and out. Regular cleaning isn't just about appearances, it's about protecting your investment. Dirt, grime, and road salts can lead to corrosion and rust, damaging the body and mechanical parts. Obviously, cleanliness has uncounted benefits of preventing corrosion, boosting the truck's value, improved comfort, and whatnot. So consider regular washing of your rigs as they go through a lot and need some cleaning agent after the daily grind. You can use salt and chemicals to serve the purpose. Inspect your engine bay regularly to spot any leaks or damaged components. Also consider applying protective coatings or waxes to the exterior to provide an extra layer of protection against the elements. Don't forget to clean the undercarriage, especially after driving on salted or muddy roads. Trust us, a well-maintained truck sells like hotcakes even after years of use. Well, that brings us to the end of our 10 must-dos for heavy-duty trucks. By staying on top of these maintenance tasks, you're not only extending the life of your truck, but also ensuring safer and more efficient journeys ahead. Regular maintenance might seem time-consuming, but it's a worthwhile investment that pays off in reliability and peace of mind. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful and entertaining content on trucks. We'll see you in the next video.